You are welcome to today's class. So in today's class, we want to study geometric means. So in GP, if you are given any three consecutive numbers, the middle number is called the geometric means. So let's have an example for you to understand it better. So given A, B, C, let us use these letters to represent the three consecutive numbers. Now, you know we need in GP, we need to find common ratio. And to find the common ratio, it will be the second term divided by the first term is equal to the third term divided by the second term. So here, A is the first term. B is the second term. And C is the third term. So the common ratio will now be equal to B divided by A is equal to C divided by B. So B divided by A is equal to C divided by B. So cross multiplying gives B multiplied by B is equal to A multiplied by C. So it gives B squared is equal to AC. So taking square root of both sides, we have square root of B squared is equal to square root of AC. So B is equal to square root of AC. So this B is the geometric means. Example 1. The third, fourth, and fifth term of a GP are x plus 3, x plus 8, and x plus 18, respectively. Find x. So here, the first term is x plus 3, and the second term is x plus 8, where the third term is x plus 18. Now, we need to find the common ratio. So the common ratio will be x plus 8 divided by x plus 3. That is the second term divided by the first term is equal to the third term divided by the second term. So what we need now is that we do not need to write r again. So x plus 8 over x plus 3 is equal to x plus 18 divided by x plus 8. Then you cross multiply. So we have x plus 8 multiplied by x plus 8 is equal to x plus 3 multiplied by x plus 18. So that x multiplied by x gives x squared. X multiplied by plus 8 gives plus 8x. Plus 8 multiplied by x gives plus 8x. Plus 8 multiplied by plus 8 gives plus 64. Is equal to x multiplied by x gives x squared. X multiplied by plus 18 gives plus 18x. Plus 3 multiplied by x gives plus 3x. Plus 3 multiplied by plus 18 gives plus 54. Plus 54. So here we have x squared plus 16x plus 64 is equal to x squared plus 21x plus 54. So now let's collect like terms. So x squared minus x squared plus 16x minus 21x plus 64 minus 54 is equal to 0. So here, by positive x squared, we cancel negative x squared. So plus 16x minus 21x gives minus 5x. Minus 5x plus 64 minus 54 gives plus 10 is equal to 0. So from here, we can now say we have minus 5 x is equal to minus 10. Let me write this x. So from here, dividing both sides by minus 5 gives minus 5 cancel minus 5, negative cancel negative here, 5 here 1, 5 here 2. So the value of x is equal to 2. So that is what they asked us to find. They asked us to find the value of x. So if you are given any question like this in GP, you should know that what they ask you to do is you have to find the common ratio, and the formula for common ratio is what you're able to simplify to find the value of whatever they ask you to find there. So another example, if the geometric mean of 1 over 4 and 4 is x plus 3, find the possible value of x. So formula for geometric mean will be equal to square root of AC. So here GM will be equal to square root of 1 over 4 multiplied by 4 over 1. And we were given the GM from the question to be equal to x plus 3. So that means we have x plus 3 is equal to square root of 1 over 4 multiplied by 4 over 1. So x plus 3 will be equal to 4 here 1, 4 here 1, square root of 1. And 1 is a perfect square, so square root of 1 will still give us 1. So x will be equal to 1 minus 3. So x is equal to minus 2. So it is very simple. Example 3. State the geometric mean of A, 5 and B and 20, B, 1 over 2 and 16. Solution. The geometric mean for 5 and 20, A, 5 and 20. So we want to find their geometric mean. So GM of this one will be equal to square root of 5 multiplied by 20. And geometric mean will now be equal to square root of 100. So geometric mean is equal to 10. B, 1 over 2 and 16. So GM of 1 over 2 and 16 will be equal to square root of 1 over 2 multiplied by 16 over 1. So 2 here 1, 2 here 8. So the GM of this one will be equal to square root of 8. And 8 is not a perfect square, but we can simplify it according to law of surd. So this gives 4 multiplied by 2. So GM will be equal to square root of 4 multiplied by square root of 2. So GM will be equal to 2 multiplied by square root of 2. Isn't that simple? So another example. Example 4. The arithmetic mean of two numbers is 15 and their geometric mean is 9. Find the numbers. So the first thing that you need to do here is that let's represent the two numbers with A and B. Let A and B represent the two numbers. So, and formula for arithmetic mean will be equal to A plus B divided by 2. So here, A plus B divided by 2 is equal to 15 according to the question. So we need to cross multiply here. A plus B is equal to 2 multiplied by 15. So A plus B is equal to 30. So let's call this one equation 1. And their geometric mean is 9. And the formula for geometric mean is equal to square root of A multiplied by B. So square root of A multiplied by B is equal to 9. So we can say that taking square root of square both sides. Squaring both sides gives AB is equal to 9 squared. So AB is equal to 81, equation 2. From equation 1, which is A plus B is equal to 30, equation 1. So let's make A the subject of the formula. So A will be equal to 30 minus B. So now, substitute. So you now write substituting. So let's call this one equation 3. Substituting equation 3 into equation 2. Gives equation 2 is A multiplied by B is equal to 81. So wherever we see A, we put 30 minus B. So 30 minus B multiplied by B is equal to 81. So 30B minus B squared is equal to 81. So minus B squared plus 30B minus 81 is equal to 0. So multiply both sides by minus 1. Multiplying both sides by minus 1 gives B squared minus 30B plus 81 is equal to 0. So quadratic equation. So we need to factorize it. Now, coefficient of B squared is 1 plus 1 multiplied by plus 81. So we have plus 81. So factors of 81 are 1, 3, 9, 27, and 81. So two factors of 81 that if you multiply them together, it's going to give you plus 81. And if you add or subtract, it's going to give you minus 30, 3, and 27. So minus 3 minus 27, if you multiply them together, minus 3 multiplied by minus 27 gives plus 81. Minus 3 plus minus 27 gives minus 30. So the factors that we need are minus 3 and minus 27. So B squared minus 3B minus 27B plus 81 is equal to 0. So B, if you factorize B out here, we have B minus 3. Then factorize minus 27 out. So we have B minus 3 is equal to 0. Minus 27. Then you take one out of those ones inside the brackets. So B minus 3. Everything is equal to 0. So we can now say that B minus 27 is equal to 0. Or B minus 3 is equal to 0. So from here, B is equal to 27 or B is equal to 3. So we have known the values of B, which are 27 or 3. Now we can easily find the value of A. So from equation 1, equation 1 is the A plus B is equal to 30, equation 1. So now, let's substitute the values of B. So when B is equal to 3, A, whenever we see B, we put 3. A plus 3 is equal to 30. So A will be equal to 30 minus 3. So A is equal to 27. So when B is equal to 27, A plus B is equal to 30, still equation 1. So wherever we see B, we are going to write 27 there. So A plus 27 is equal to 30. So A is equal to 30 minus 27. A is equal to 3. The two numbers will now be 3 and 27 or 27 and 3. So that is how to find geometric mean. You can see it's very, very simple. So make sure you go through it, write it down, study everything, and you will see that it's very, very simple. So till I see you in the next class, stay safe, bye bye, and God bless you.